friends and students, welcome to Deepa Mugil Creations. In this video, we're going to discuss about NOR gate. Last class, we have discussed how to generate basic functions by using NAND gate. In this video, we're going to discuss how to generate the same basic functions AND, OR and NOT functions by using NOR gate. Let's see about the NOR operation. You know about that. This is the symbol used to represent NOR operation. NOR is nothing but complement of R. Okay, so A plus B whole complement. For example, if you give 0 to both A and B, that is 0 plus 0, that is equal to 0. This is OR operation. Then again you have to do the inversion. That means 0 complement, that is equal to 1. So NOR operation for 0, 0 equal to 1. 0, 1 equal to 0. 1, 0 equal to 0. 1, 1 equal to 0. Now, by using this NOR gate, we are going to generate NOT function, R function and AND function. Okay. For this, you have to use the same logic that we followed for NAND. For NOT operation by using NOR gate, you have to follow NOT operation by using NAND gate. For OR operation by using NOR gate, you have to follow AND operation by using NAND gate. For AND operation by using NOR gate, you have to follow OR operation by using NAND gate. First, we will discuss about NOT operation. What we done for NAND? What is the NAND operation? A dot B complement. Okay, if you give 0 to both A and B, then answer is 1. 0, 1, 1. 1, 0, 1. 1, 1, 0. Okay, so here for the same input, this NAND gate will act as a NOT gate. Okay, so same logic you have to apply here. So here also for the same input, this NOR gate will act as a NOT gate. If you give 0 as an input to both A and B, then output is 1. If you give 1 to both A and B, then output is 0. Okay, so for this NOR gate, if you give same input 1, 1, then output is 0. If you give same input 0, 0, then output is 1. So, instead of giving two inputs, you can join the input together. Okay. Now, if input is 0, then here also 0, here also 0, output is 1. If input is 1, then output is 0. Okay. So, this is not only applicable for 2 input. For 3 input, 4 input, for n number of input, you have to follow the same logic. For a 4 number of input, you have to connect all the input together. Okay. So here if you give 0, then output is 1. If you give 1, then output is 0. Okay. So this is how you have to convert NOR gate into NOT gate. Next one, OR operation. For this OR operation, you have to follow AND operation by using NAND gate. So here what is that? A dot B complement equal to A dot B. That is nothing but AND is the complement of NAND. Okay, so like that here also OR is the complement of NOR. So for this OR operation you require NOR operation plus NOT operation. Okay, so first you have to draw the NOT gate and you have to connect that NOR gate with NOT gate. Okay. So here the operation is A plus B complement. Here A plus B complement, that is nothing but A plus B, OR operation. Now check here, if you give 0 to both A and B, here you will get 1, then final output equal to 0. Okay, so this is same as OR operation. Okay, so this is how you have to convert NOR into OR gate. Next one, AND operation. For this you have to follow OR operation by using NAND gate. For this one we have used De Morgan's law, A plus B whole complement equal to A complement dot B complement. So for this AND operation also you are going to use another De Morgan's law, A dot B whole complement equal to A complement plus B complement. That means consider these are all the A, B value. Then what is the A complement and B complement? You have to invert A and B. What is that? 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 0. Now what is the A dot B whole complement? You have to do the AND operation and you have to take complement. So what is that? 1 1 1 0. And here also A complement plus B complement. You have to do the OR operation for this A complement and B complement. What is that? 1 1 1 0. Here we got the same value for this A dot B complement and A complement plus B complement. So we have proved these two are same, equal. Now if you do the complement for this De Morgan's law, then A plus B complement equal to A complement dot B complement whole complement. Consider this is the first equation and you know that A plus B complement equal to A plus B. That means complement of NOR equal to R. Okay. So this is the second equation. Say A plus B complement equal to A complement dot B complement whole complement. Also you can say A plus B complement equal to A plus B. So here you can say A plus B equal to A complement dot B complement whole complement. So instead of A plus B, you can do the function A complement dot B complement whole complement. So here for this R operation I have drawn circuit diagram by using this function A complement dot B complement whole complement, that is equal to R operation. Okay, now you have to do the same logic for AND operation. What is that? A dot B complement equal to A complement plus B complement whole complement, and you know that A dot B complement equal to A dot B. So you can say A dot B equal to A complement plus B complement whole complement. So here for this AND operation you are going to use this one. So how to make the circuit? First you have to draw A complement and B complement and you have to do the OR operation. Okay, for the A complement and B complement you have to use this gate and again you have to connect that with another NOR gate. So here if you give A, then here A complement. If you give B as an input, then here B complement. Next one we need to do NOR operation. For this NOR operation you have to connect NOR gate. So here A complement, B complement. After the NOR operation you will get A complement plus B complement whole complement. That's it. Now check the AND operation. If you give 1 to both A and B, then A complement B complement is 0 0. What is the NOR operation? 0 0 equal to 1. So this is same as AND operation. Okay, so we can say A complement plus B complement whole complement equal to A dot B. So here also for NOT operation we require one NOR gate. For OR operation we require two NOR gates. For AND operation we require three NOR gates. So we can generate any basic functions by using NOR gate and NAND gate. That is why we call NOR and NAND as a universal gates. Not only basic operations, we already seen by using NAND and NOR we can do any functions. We can implement any gate by using this NAND and NOR gate. By using NAND gate you can also generate NOR operation. Similarly, by using NOR gate you can also generate NAND operation. By connecting OR with NOT gate you will get NOR operation. Similarly, by connecting AND gate with NOT gate you will get NAND operation. We already seen how to make OR operation by using NAND gate. Now for this NOR operation, just add one more NAND gate here. So after this, just add one more NOT gate. Okay, use this one here. Similarly for NAND operation, we already seen how to make AND operation. So with this, just add one more NOT gate. This one. So here by connecting one more gate, you can do the NOR operation. Here also by connecting one more gate, you can do the NAND operation. So how many gates required for this NOR operation? 4 gates required. For this NAND operation, 4 gates required. You can also generate XOR operation and XNOR operation by using NAND and NOR gate. You people try those operations and leave a comment. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, subscribe my channel, click the like button and share this to your friends.